Hey, Steam teachers, Jim Steamclown here. Have you ever wanted to have like more information given to your students in just general quizzes that are like multiple choice quizzes, but you wanted them to have more information if they got the answer wrong or right? Here's what you do. All right. So, for example, I'm doing some questions on like the semiconductor industry, right? And so it's like plasma is generated by and chemical reaction, ignition sources, powerful magnetic field, temperatures, and the answer is powerful magnetic field. But what if I want my students to like learn a little bit more, either if they get the answer wrong or if they get it right, just to confirm what they're doing? And an easy way to do that is ChatGPT. So I go over to ChatGPT and I do something like, I say, in the semiconductor etching process, explain the statement, plasma is generated by a powerful magnetic field, right? And so that's the right answer. And I can have ChatGPT go off and generate something, and it's going to generate a few little paragraphs and some step-by-step of the, plasma kind of field, especially in the etching field. And so here I can go through and it tells me a little bit about the plasma being generated, and it tells me about the magnetic field, and tells me the ionization of gas. So it just kind of dives a lot deeper into something. And what I can do is I can take, after I've read it and proved that it's right, I can take the answer that's here and copy and go back to my Canvas answer here. And then in Canvas, for example, or whatever tool you happen to be using, I can come into the right answer and I can paste this in, and then I can go to the wrong answer and I can also paste it in there. And I do this, I paste it into the right and wrong answer because in Canvas you can actually set it so that when they're taking a quiz, potentially, if you want, they can't see the right answer after they've answered. And that way, then they see that they got something wrong, and then I can give them a hint. They can read this, and then when they go back to retake it, if I'm giving them an option to retake the quiz, then they can go take it. But they still can't see technically the right answer. They can only see whatever I'm giving a hint on. So depending on the type of quiz, I just paste something in here. So now when they take this quiz, they'll be able to see that that right answer, depending on how they answer that quiz. And it just gives them a little bit more to go read after they've answered the question on the quiz. Anyway, hope that helps. Bye.